welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista here. I'm doing an unboxing and it is from a company called PinchMe. I have never heard of them until they reached out to me. PinchMe.com, they are basically one of those services where you get a bunch of good stuff every month or on a regular basis. It's anywhere from beauty, health, lifestyle, yeah, so fun, right? Why not? I want to know what's in here. Every month is a different assortment. I have the blogger version, so there's maybe some more stuff in here than what is in a typical monthly box. I love how it's wrapped in brown paper package. Brown paper packages. Try products from leading brands for free. Okay. I feel like I did a free sample box before, so if this is something you've done or you've heard of, let me know, because I always find it interesting when I learn about these things. I don't know everything. I mean, I know a lot. Okay, first thing I see here is a sample of Clairol Root Touch-Up. This is the concealing powder. This is kind of cool, and it's in my shade. Well, it's, yeah, light brown. Well, they give you a whole bunch. So it's a little card with a little sponge. Maybe not. I mean, who knows? The sample may or may not lend itself well to application. Not necessarily something that dictates if the product is good or not, right? We've been there. Okay, so how PinchMe works. You go to PinchMe.com and sign up once a month. We'll email you when free samples are available for you to claim. You provide your honest feedback on the samples to claim more. Click on the Quiz Me tab, complete surveys daily, and be guaranteed weekly exclusive sample boxes. Click on the Treat Me tab and receive daily emails with special offers and savings. Okay, this is really cool. Brands are getting really savvy in how they spread the word. So this clearly is something brands out there are using to kind of, you know, just network, right? Oh my goodness, native deodorant. Somebody I know loves this stuff. Ooh, plus this little guy, how cute is that? I believe this is a natural deodorant, aluminum free, based with coconut oil and shea butter, yes. Arrowroot powder. Ooh, that must be the oil, the sweat absorption. Cool. Oh, I like that. I don't know if there's like a little description thing in here. I should show you what it looks like. Yay. So we have, okay, so let's, okay, the welcome card, Clairol Root Touch-Up. What is this? Cook Up, a fresh start from HelloFresh. I've done videos for them. $25 off your first 2 boxes. So you get some coupons in there. Ester C, the better vitamin C. I mean, how many do you guys just keep this in your cupboard, right? Or even in your junk drawer you pull out and you're like, oh, there's an Ester C packet. Love this stuff. Oh, where were you when I was in Vegas? Oh my gosh, these are Compeed Cushioning Comfort and Confidence Advanced Blister Care. Oh my God, such a bad blister. I love blister pads. Look at me. If you go on vacation, if you do Disney World, if you do Disney, if you do Knott's Berry Farm, if you do Europe, the Great Wall in China, wherever you're gonna walk a ton, have some of these packed because they do an amazing job staying on your feet through sweat and wear, and they actually do a good job of protecting the skin. You guys, Drunk Elephant? Thank you. Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense, SPF 30. I have the one that's tinted. This is so cute. Look at this little, oh my God. This is so cool. So apparently you get prestige brands and drugstore brands. Ooh, I'm hungry. What's this? Michel et Augustine 2 cookies. Cookie squares baked in France, dark chocolate with a pinch of sea salt. Okay. I'm having one. Those are so cute. Okay, I got 2 of them. My shirt. Okay. Ah, I'm so excited about Drunk Elephant right there. That's so cool. Lumify. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so good. I did an influencer post for them and I was sent these. These are amazing. I know I'm like hyping this stuff up, but you're not necessarily gonna get this in your box. But just to know that these are the potential items, plus this is expensive. So that's very generous. Lumify drops are amazing, for real. I just used them the other day because allergies. Aquaphor Advanced Ointment Body Spray. I have been dying to try this. Basically, it's Aquaphor in a mist, which it's so cool. It's got all the good stuff. If you can use lanolin, Aquaphor's for you. If you cannot use lanolin, avoid Aquaphor products. They have, lanolin is one of those weird things that some people can use it and some people can't. This is really cool. You know what this would be good for? Sunburns. Because most of the time the aloe in the sun care aisle has alcohol in it. And when you put that on your skin, it stings. Uh-huh. Oh, more cookies, more cookies. Yay. Milk chocolate with a melty caramel. Oh my gosh. I'm loving you, Michael and Augustine. I just said that like it was German. Michelle. Does Michael, is that pronounced Michelle in France? That's it. That was so cute. Thank you so much, PinchMe. This was fun. So go on their website and fill out the form and get samples sent to you if you answer the questions and do it in time, I guess. I don't know. So we're in this together, right? Okay. So thanks again, PinchMe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed unboxing these little treasures. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give that thumbs up button a click for my algorithm on the YouTube, and follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.